This is chapter 8, section 5 from our homework on MATLAB, number 12, where you can find this equation from your textbook, Intermediate Algebra, or the Math 80 textbook, chapter 8.5, number 47. So the equation was given f of x equals 2 over x minus 1 plus 4x plus 1 over x plus 1, and f of x equals a negative 1. So it says find x when y is equal to the indicated value. So first I substitute the negative 1 for f of x in the equation, and we have a new equation of 2 over x minus 1 plus 4 over x plus 1 equals to negative 1. And to solve for the rational equation in one variable, need to factor denominators if possible, and then identify excluded values. And you need to find the least common denominator of all fractions, and then multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, and solve the simpler equation and discard any proposed solution that are excluded values. So notice that the denominators are already factored. So all we need right now is to find the LCD, which is the LCD for this equation is x minus 1 times and x minus 1 and x plus 1. So you now you got your LCD. You need to make the denominator the same, and you cannot subtract or add if you don't have the same denominator. Now you need to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. So you multiply the left side and the right side by the LCD, and then after you multiply the LCD both sides, you apply distribute the second part of your equation first. So I distributed those x minus 1 times x plus 1 with 2 over x minus 1, and then plus x minus 1 times x plus 1 times 4 over x plus 1. And then I cancel out the like terms because it's multiplication, and then that leaves me with 2 times x plus 1 and 4 times x minus 1. And then same with, you apply the property, you apply the AB over AC equals B over C property on the right side, and that gives me x to the power of 2 negative x to the power of 2 plus 1. So you solve for your second equation, which is 2x plus 2 plus 4x minus 4, which gives me 6x minus 2, and then you make it equal to the other equation, with this negative x to the power of 2 plus 1, and then you want to make it all equal to 0. So you need to add x to the power of 2 and subtract 1 from both sides of the equations to write the equation in the form of 0 equal to ax to the power of 2 plus bx plus c. So and then there's your new equation, quadratic from equation, and that gives me a equals to 1, b equals to 6, c equals negative 3 from your quadratic equation right there. Then you apply the quadratic formula, and then you plug in your variables, and then you solve for it. So if right after you plug in your variables and numbers, solve inside the radical first. So that's 6 to the power of 2, 36 minus 4 times negative 3 gives me 48, and then your simplified equation is negative 6 plus or minus radical 48 over 2 times 1, and then you simplify it, which gives me the answer of negative 3 plus or minus 2 radical 3. So there's your answer. And that's the proposed solutions is negative 3 plus 2 radical 3, or negative 3 minus 2 radical 3. Alright.